Your password probably isn't going to be hacked by AI, but AI might be the reason it gets cracked faster than ever before. Welcome to BlueHat Cybersec Academy. That distinction matters more than most people realize. The biggest cybersecurity threats rarely look like science fiction. Instead, they come from small technological shifts that quietly make existing attacks faster, smarter, and far more effective. You've probably seen headlines claiming that AI is changing everything in cybersecurity. But how much of that is actually true? Can AI really steal your password, or are we giving it more credit than it deserves? Let's separate the hype from reality. We'll look at how AI is changing password cracking techniques, where the real risks lie, and most importantly, what you can do to stay ahead. One of the biggest misconceptions is that AI can somehow read your password, instantly bypass authentication, or magically break into your accounts. That's simply not how modern AI works. Instead, attackers are using AI to make traditional hacking techniques smarter, faster, and more efficient. AI isn't replacing existing attacks, it is improving them. Think about brute force attacks. They haven't disappeared, they've evolved. Traditionally, password cracking works by trying millions or even billions of possible combinations until one finally matches. The biggest limitation has always been time. This is where AI changes the equation. Rather than testing passwords randomly, machine learning models can analyze years of leaked password databases and predict which passwords people are most likely to choose. In other words, attackers don't have to search the entire haystack anymore. They can start by looking exactly where the needles are most likely to be. For example, AI can quickly recognize patterns such as common words followed by predictable numbers, keyboard sequences, personal information that users frequently include, and even slight variations of passwords that have already appeared in previous data breaches. The result? Fewer guesses, less wasted effort, and a much higher chance of success. Now here's where things become even more interesting. The biggest advantage AI provides isn't just better password guessing, it's automation. AI can generate highly targeted password lists for specific individuals. It can automate credential stuffing attacks using leaked usernames and passwords. It can analyze massive datasets to identify reusable credentials. And it can prioritize high-probability targets instead of attacking everyone equally. Individually, none of these techniques are entirely new. But together, AI allows cybercriminals to perform them at a speed and scale that would have required enormous manual effort only a few years ago. That's the real shift. So, does this mean strong passwords are becoming useless? Not at all. What AI exposes isn't the failure of passwords. It exposes the failure of predictable passwords. If your password looks something like Summer 2025, Password 123, or John 786, there's a good chance AI-powered tools will prioritize those combinations very early in an attack. On the other hand, a genuinely random, long, and unique password remains extraordinarily difficult to crack through brute force alone. The mathematics haven't changed. People's predictable habits are what AI is exploiting. But here's something that might surprise you. Password cracking isn't always the easiest path for attackers. In many situations, AI is becoming far more valuable for social engineering. Today's AI tools can generate convincing phishing emails, realistic fake login pages, natural-sounding chat conversations, and even voice impersonations that can fool people into revealing their own credentials. And that's often much easier than trying to crack a password mathematically. This is why cybersecurity professionals often say that humans remain the weakest link. Not because people lack intelligence, but because attackers have become exceptionally good at exploiting trust. The good news is that protecting yourself doesn't require fighting AI with AI. It simply means removing easy opportunities for attackers. That starts with using long, unique passwords for every account. Store those passwords in a trusted password manager. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. Never reuse passwords across different services. And whenever you receive an unexpected login request, email or verification prompt, approach it with healthy skepticism before taking any action. These habits may sound simple, but together they dramatically reduce the damage, even if one password is eventually compromised. Perhaps we've been asking the wrong question all along. AI isn't a magical hacker that can instantly break into every account. It's an amplifier. It takes existing cyber attacks and makes them faster, smarter, and far more scalable. The people who understand this shift will adapt. The people who dismiss AI as either harmless hype or unstoppable magic risk, missing the real vulnerabilities entirely. Cybersecurity has always been about staying one step ahead of attackers. AI hasn't changed that principle. It has simply raised the stakes, and it has made good security habits more valuable than ever before. Before we wrap up, here's a challenge for you. If you had to choose just one security habit that provides the biggest protection against AI-powered password attacks, what would it be? Would you choose using long, unique passwords? A password manager? Multi-factor authentication? Or do you think there's another habit that's even more important? Don't just post your answer in the comments. Tell us why you chose it. I'm genuinely curious to see how you think about this, and your perspective might help someone else strengthen their own cybersecurity habits. And if this video helped you separate facts from hype, give it a like so more people can find it. Share it with someone who still believes AI can magically hack any password. And if you enjoy practical, evidence-driven cybersecurity content, subscribe to BlueHat Cybersec Academy and follow the AI versus Cybersecurity series, where we'll keep questioning assumptions, analyzing real threats, and separating fact from fiction. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay secure.